Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on OnePlus Pad Go. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Settings. Now click on Google Assistant and then click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here to enable Hey Google and then click on Retrain Voice Match Model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, help me plan a dinner party. Now click Next, Next, More, and I agree. Now you can click back and click on Lock Screen and click Yes, I'm in. Then make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.